Nnamdi Kanu dragged Wike, Uzodinma, and Tinubu to High Court over coup to deny him freedom and get him sentenced. Yes, Nnamdi Kanu has started his defense. Yes, this is the first move he is taking, and I tell you, this very first move is going to be very, very welcoming. I'm telling you, for real, it will, if you give it a quick look. As it is right now, you can see that the IPOP leader have decided to face this set of lawyers you are seeing sitting down here. These people you are seeing sitting down are the federal government lawyers who believe that the IPOP leader Nnamdi Kanu cannot do it and cannot defend himself. Now, from this very piece of document I have here, it stated that Nnamdi Kanu lists Malami, Wike, Umahi, Sanwo-Olu, Danjuma, Brùtäl, others as his witness. Nnamdi Kanu, the leader of the indigenous people of Biafra, has listed the former Attorney General of the Federation AGF, Abubakar Malami, as his witness in his ongoing alleged terrorism trial. Yes, because Naim be the architect of the whole show. He is the front man, the one that was sent to bring Nnamdi Kanu secretly down to Nigeria. And after doing that, he planned to defend himself, but strong legal practitioners who came by his neck and told him that, guy, you are a lawyer, a son, and you know what it means. Attorney General, you secretly brought this guy to Nigeria, and you are saying that you're on your right. It means that you don't know the law. Now, Malami is completely on a hot seat because he knows that what the law is about to be. He knows that the law is about to catch up with him, and not just the law, but the denial of Nnamdi Kanu's human rights is ready to catch up with him. And I don't know how he's going to defend himself, because already the law itself is already against him. The same law that he claimed to have, practiced, is prepared to get a hold of him. Now, the other ones like David Umahi, that very one, he is also one of the architects. He was one of those who has been against Nnamdi Kanu right from day one, and that's why one of my analysts made it very clear that people like Uzodinma, David Umahi are the brain behind Nnamdi Kanu's extradition. You can't tell me that people like Umahi and Uzodinma want Nnamdi Kanu to be released. I will never agree. That was what the analyst was saying, and believe me, his assertion was very, very clear. Very, very clear and very, very open. Yes, Uzodinma and Umahi has been against Nnamdi Kanu from day one. From day one, they have been against him. They don't want his good. They don't want him to succeed in this very struggle. Why? Because they are the brain behind the sponsoring of these Boko people. They are the ones. They have been hiding under an umbrella. Now, it was also stated in this same document that Nnamdi Kanu has gone as far as listing out these very witnesses and making it very clear to the public that his plan to call these 23 witnesses to divide into two categories. Can you imagine? That is to say, Nnamdi Kanu informed the court of his plan to call out these 23 witnesses divided into two categories. Now, these witnesses will be divided into two categories. Of which we don't know the category where each of them are going to be. You can see that Nnamdi Kanu really understood the law. Nigerian government, they will see what they call law, they will fear. This guy is vast. It's not a question. It's not by studying law before you understand the rule of law. And that's why they said everybody have your constitution, study your constitution, and know your rights. If you know your rights, criminal police officers cannot, see you on the road and be harassing you unnecessarily. You understand? So far, you know your mandamus theorems, and you are able to use it for your defense. People like those criminal police officers will not stop you or harass you unnecessarily. Instead, na dem go dey beg you. Look at what Nnamdi Kanu is doing right now. This very idea, who gave it to him? Nobody. This is what he believes that is going to work out, and let's see. He has entered his defense, and I assure you that Nnamdi Kanu will prove his innocence, and the Nigerian government will be pushed to shame. They will be pushed to shame. Abba, my dear listeners, I am impressed with this very move and this very action. Yes, it was also stated that Nnamdi Kanu, the leader of the indigenous people of Biafra, IPOB, has listed the former Attorney General of the Federation of Malami as one of his defense witnesses in his terrorism trial before the Federal High Court in Abuja. The Biafran agitator listed Mr. Malami among others. He wants subpoenaed to appear in court as his witness as he prepared to open his defense. All of them, Nnamdi Kanu will face them one by one. Let them come and speak. Let them come and defend and say where and how Nnamdi Kanu committed any of this crime. If Nnamdi Kanu is not innocent, he will not call these people out as witness. I'm telling you, he will not. He want them to come and speak. No, see, let them stop speaking from behind. All this while we'll be hearing it that Umahi is saying Tinubu want to release Nnamdi Kanu. Umahi should come and speak it, say it in the court. He want to really see it in the face of Umahi that of a true Umahi is in support of his freedom. Uzodinma, he want to really see it in the face of Uzodinma and know if truly he is supporting the freedom of Nnamdi Kanu. Come to the court, speak. Let's hear you. See, you will see that these people will speak in defense of the federal government. Because why? Because they cannot speak in favor of Nnamdi Kanu in court. I'm telling you, because if they do, they have betrayed the president, and they won't want to do that. Nnamdi Kanu know what he's doing, and that is why he has brought these persons out for the public to see and to be aware of. The defense have already started, and now the world will now see the politics played to get Nnamdi Kanu in that very prison. My dear listeners, please and please and please, I want to beg you to please help to share this video. Let everyone have a clip and copy of this, because why? These persons will need to be exposed. People like Nyesom Wike, most especially, Hope Uzodinma, Umahi, and many of them. Abubakar Malami on his own, that one, he will surely be arrested. He will surely be arrested. Because why? Because that very crime he committed as an Attorney General will surely appear before him. He will face it off. I swear that. Now, the list containing a category of serving and former officials whom Mr. Kanu described as compellable witnesses include Nyesom Wike, the FCT Minister Theophilus Danjuma, a retired Lieutenant General and the former Chief of Army Staff Brùtäl, another retired Lieutenant General and the former Chiefs Governor Babajide Sanwo-Olu of Lagos State and Governor Hope Uzodinma of Imo State. These people you see here are the ones even propagating the continued detention of Nnamdi Kanu. So that is why he has listed them out. Let us come and prove it in court. Let's come out. Let's prove it. Speak, and I will appear in defense of my trial. Shame will catch Nigerian government. All these people you see, Nnamdi Kanu has mentioned their name. Shame will catch them. I swear that. You see this Brùtäl. You see this retired lieutenant general, and these people you see here are the people like Omoyele Sowore and you know, some of these top agitators are even fighting for, trying to help them bring out their gratuity and also their pension, since the federal government has been denying them of their pensions. I'm telling you, maybe you're not aware, go and check properly. But when they were in office, they were against Nnamdi Kanu and the Biafrans. But now they are suffering it because federal government have not been able to release their pensions, neither is their gratuity. Please make una share this video because the truth plenty inside this very matter. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and also make sure everyone have a clip of this very news. Thank you.